Hi foodies, I made some delicious Cajun salmon with my air fryer, so let's get into it. So guys, this piece of salmon was rinsed with the lime and cold water and I pat dried it. We are going to be doing Cajun salmon similar to blackened salmon, so I'm going to be brushing on some butter. You can use dairy free or oil if you prefer. So butter, then I'm going to put on the seasoning. I'm dealing with the skin side first because I want the other side, which is the display side, to be undisturbed. So I'm doing this side first, then I'll flip it over. So this is some Old Bay, guys. I'm not measuring. I'm just going to be generous with the seasoning so I get some flavor and some color. So sprinkle on the Old Bay, then we go in with paprika, good old paprika for color. So sprinkle that on, be generous, and then we're going to add the Cajun spice. Depending on how salty your Cajun spice is, you can add salt or you can leave it out. Okay, so just press that into the salmon, really press it in, add some more seasoning if you need to, and then we're just going to flip it over. And we're going to repeat the steps on this side. So the butter, Old Bay, Cajun spice, paprika, and remember to season the sides of the salmon as well, not just the top and the bottom. All right, so once that's seasoned well, we are going to be cooking this in the air fryer. Okay, so get your cooking spray or just brush on some oil if that's what you have. Okay, so it doesn't stick. Then just lay the fish inside. Now I'm just doing one fillet today, guys, and it is super thick. It's like 1 to 1.5 inch thick. And I'm using just one side of the air fryer, and this is going to be cooked for about 7 minutes with the air fry setting and then the broiler just to get a little bit more color. And after that, look at this beautiful fish. Really, really nice, guys. I just needed this so I could have it with some salad, and this is just perfect to top a salad because you have that flavor, but there's no excess fat. It is really delicious, guys. I am impressed because trust me, I wasn't sure, how this was going to turn out because of course I am used to my pan cooked or, oven baked salmon, but this is juicy. Look at it. It is so good. So give it a try. If you're making a salad and you don't want to have chicken breast, this is perfect on top of it. Or you can have this with some sauce and a side dish like potatoes or rice or even veggies, whatever you prefer. Once you try it, come back and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.